doing something different. And by me talking like this, could you tell what I'm doing different today for math?
Talking English.
Alex, thanks for raising your hand. But yes, Alex notices that I'm talking in English today. Usually we talk in Spanish. For math, but today we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to be talking in English.
Yes.
Is that okay with everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, so first, what I want to show you are these two pictures. And with your hand raised, I want someone to tell me what these pictures are. And I don't want to hear shout outs. I'm asking you to raise your hands. Allison. They're trees. And my question for you today is to observe these trees. I want you to really look at these trees and get to know them, okay? Who could spot the difference between these two trees? Between the trees, okay? Listen to my words. The differences between the two trees. Diana. Okay, so you notice something here. You notice that this tree is on top of grass. Okay. Could someone spot another difference? London.
The other tree is on earth.
Well, both of these trees are on Earth. So, how about I ask another question? Which of these trees is taller? Raise your hand, please. Ruby, which of these two trees is taller? I'm going to do something so it can be a little bit easier. Tree A or tree B? Is tree A, which is taller, tree A or tree B? Oh, I was still talking to Ruby. Take your time looking at it, okay? And I know some of you already know the answer, but let Ruby think about it for a second. Tree A or tree B, which one's taller? Tree A or tree B? I want everybody to let Ruby, Jacob, let Ruby observe and think about her answer. A. Ruby said tree A is bigger and taller than tree B. Does everybody agree?
Yeah.
If you agree, show me your thumb on your chest, please. If you agree that tree A is taller than tree B. I'm not asking for questions right now. I'm asking you to show me your thumb on your chest if you agree with Ruby. I can see that everybody. Brittany, do you agree? You don't agree. Okay, so I noticed that Brittany doesn't agree that tree A is taller than tree B. Brittany, what? You don't think that tree A is taller than tree B? You do think it is. Yeah, one is smaller and one's bigger. So which tree do you think is bigger? Tree A or tree B? You think it's bigger? Why do you think tree B is bigger? Okay, so Brittany noticed that tree B is standing on grass, right? How about this? I'm gonna erase the grass. How about now? Okay, so do you agree that tree B is still bigger than tree A? No? You think tree A is bigger now?
Yeah.
All right. I'm trying, Alex, I'm trying to hear Brittany's thoughts. So yeah, I think we could all agree now that tree A is bigger than tree B. We could also say that tree A is taller than tree B, and that tree B is
Smaller.
well, there's another word.
Shoulder.
Shorter. It's shorter than tree A. Diego, do you have something to talk about these trees right now? You think, yeah, I think we all agree that tree A is taller than tree B, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
But except for that tree B has more grass than tree A.
Yeah. The grass kind of made it seem like they were the same height, right?
No, that on top. On top. The tree B has more grass and more leaves on top, and the tree A has a little.
Yeah.
No, tree A has more than leaves.
So
No, hold on. B has.
Ryan is saying that tree B has a lot more leaves than tree A. That's true.
No. Yeah.
I think that's what he was saying. We're going to move on now, though, okay? We are going to talk about today's activity that we're going to do. So you heard me talking about two words, taller
And shorter.
and shorter. I'm going to spell them out on the board so you can see how they're spelled.
Where's the taller?
Taller and
Make it short. Make it short.
shorter. So if you're taller, you're bigger than someone that is
Smaller.
shorter.
Like I'm older now.
Please sit down. I'd like for you to be a part of our lesson right now. London, I'd appreciate it if you paid attention to our lesson right now. I haven't asked a question, so your hand shouldn't be raised right now. Jacob, please. I'm going to start our activity today, and our activity has to do with length. Does anybody know what the word length means?
No.
It means how big or how tall, how short an object is. The length, okay? Today, we are going to be using a paper. Everybody's going to, well, I'll talk about it right now. You're all going to be able to see this and use this today right now, though. And we're going to be playing a game with a partner.
Oh, is it good?
We're going to be playing a game with a partner. And I'm going to show you how to play this game. We're going to play the game. I'm going to show you how to play the game on the carpet, but you're going to be able to play this game at your seat with your neighbor. So your partner at the table, okay?
With whoever is next to you.
Whoever's next to you. So I want you to all turn around. Don't move. Just turn around to face the middle of the carpet. Okay? So everybody should be facing. Everybody, please turn around. We should all be facing the middle of the carpet. Christian, please. And I'm going to be, Jacob, this is the middle of the carpet. You shouldn't be in the middle. You should be facing it. So please sit over here. You can see. I'm going to make sure everybody's able to see. So Jacob. Oh, we're not. Sit over here. Sit over here. Okay. Pretty sure everybody can see. What I have here are, if you can see in the back, you're going to be able to be on your knees for this time right now, okay? Isabella, are you able to see? We're going to play with linking cubes. Right now, I'm the only one that's going to be touching these, okay? I'm the only one that's going to be touching these right now. Okay. Can you please move back? listening to my words right now. I hear side conversations, and we should be listening to the teacher right now. We're going to be playing with the link cubes. You've played with these many times before. And we're also going to be playing with dice. Everybody remembers how to play with the dice, right?
Yeah.
Here's the game. Here's the game. You're going to play with your partner. There's going to be partner A and partner B. Do you want to be my partner today? Right now? For this demonstration? Alan's going to be my helper right now. He's going to be partner B and I'm going to be partner A. On your sheet. Okay. I need you to come over here, please, because you're in front of their view. I'm pretty sure you can see over here. Oh, you can see over here. Steven? Are you paying attention? You're gonna need to be able to play this game and see how to play the game. Ruby? I'm gonna make sure everybody's able to play the game. Jacob, can you please sit up? How are we all supposed to be sitting up? Like this. We're not gonna be laying on the carpet. We're gonna be sitting up or crisscross and paying attention over here. Christian. Okay. I think we're able to all see now. I'm gonna get this paper. And you and your partner are gonna put your name on it. So I'm gonna put my name on it. Christian, you're not supposed to be moving around so much right now. We're supposed to be focused on this game. I'm going to put my name on it. And then Alan is going to put his name on it. Okay? Remember your space. So you and your partner are going to have your name on it. And I'm going to show you how it looks right now. So don't worry. So I'm going to put my name. And Alan's going to put his name for this demonstration. On here, it says tower game. So by that name, what do you think we're going to be doing?
A tower.
We're going to be creating a tower. On here, it says my tower. And over here, it says my partner's tower. So this is my section. And whose section is this?
Alan.
My partner's tower. And then at the bottom, it says the same thing. My tower, my partner's tower. This is how the game is played. You're going to get a die. So you're going to get one die per two people. Dice is many dice. One of them is called a die. So if I have 3 dice, because I have more than one. If I have 1 die, because I have 1. But that's another lesson. We'll talk about that a little bit later. Okay, so I'm going to be partner A, so I'm going to be able to roll first. And I rolled a 6. So can everybody see that I rolled a 6?
Yeah.
So I'm going to get 6 of these linking cubes. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to draw, not yet. I'm going to draw 6 little squares that make my tower. You see that? Could you guys see?
Yeah.
Are you able to see, Sayana? Is everybody able to see?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to keep my tower on the side, okay? Don't knock it down. Keep it on the side. And now Alan's going to be able to roll. Alan's going to be able to roll. Alan rolled 2. Alan rolled 2. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to
You're going to get 2 more. Okay. I noticed
Nobody can see them.
I noticed that people are standing up? Okay, we're gonna stop for 1 second. I noticed that people are standing up. Mia? Brittany? I noticed. Okay. That people are standing up. We shouldn't be standing up. We're gonna spread back. Spread back, everybody. 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 More. 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 You too, Stephen? You too? Jacob, spread back. Spread back. Stop. If you're standing up, we're going to be sitting down now. Christian, I want you right here. Okay? I'm pretty sure we are all able to see now. Okay? So before that happened, Alan drew his 2 cubes and made his tower. So now what do you have to do? You have to make your tower. So he has his tower and I have my tower. And then I get to roll again. And I rolled 5. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does everybody see that I drew 5?
Yes.
And now I'm going to get my linking cubes and make a tower of 5. Thank you. I have it right here. So I have 5. I'm going to put that aside. And then Alan's going to do it now. He rolled 2 again. So he's going to be able to do that. And then you got to make sure you have, oh, we don't connect them yet, okay? Not yet, not yet. Keep them separately. So when you do this, we're going to keep them separately, okay? We're going to be able to make a tower until the end of the game. All right, so you're supposed to play 3 rounds. So you'll make 3 towers per game. But to save on time, Jacob, please sit down on your bottom. Jacob, sit down on your bottom, please. Thank you so much. We're only going to do 2 for now, but you're actually going to be able to do it 3 times. At the end of our game, we're going to be able to connect our cubes. So connect your cubes. And you're going to talk about it, and I'm going to say. We're going to put our tower side to side, and we're going to notice whose is taller and whose is shorter. So I'm going to say, I think that my tower is taller than yours, Alan. And what do you think? You think yes? So he would say if he agrees with you, you would say, I agree. I think my tower is shorter than yours. So if your tower is shorter, you'd say, I think my tower is shorter than you. Or I know my tower is shorter than you. And if your tower is bigger, you'd say, I think and I know my tower is taller. Does everybody understand the game?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So now we are going to go back to, not yet. Wait till I finish all my sentence. We're going to go back to our seats. Not yet. You're going to wait patiently for a die. I'm going to be around passing the die. And then if you don't have a partner when you get there, we'll figure it out, okay?
You could be Elisa's partner because Nicolas is not here.
Okay. We'll figure it out when we get there, okay? And then you're going to be waiting patiently for one of these sheets and a die. So, pink table, go back to your chair.
Oh,
Not yet, I said only pink table.
I'm pink table.
Yeah, pink table. If you're pink table,
That's you, Elisa.
orange table, please go back to your chair.
Right in the middle, right here.
Blue table, please go back to your table.
It's not blue.
And green table. When you they have blocks on their tables. Don't touch them yet. Okay? Green table, are you listening? Pink table, are you listening? If you're listening, your eyes should be on me. When you get to your table, you are not touching the blocks yet. You are leaving them there till you get your other materials. This table doesn't have their materials in because I have their blocks. You'll get them right now. Who has a partner? Raise their hand. Everybody has their partner? Steven, who's your partner? Mia's your partner, so you should have your hands raised. Whoever's next to you, so Steven, Mia's your partner. Who's your partner, please? Nicolas is your partner, but he's not there. You're going to be able to be Ryan's partner today, so go with Ryan. Vera, you'll be with Brittany today, okay? And Jacob could be in a group with Isabella and Allison. Okay? So your group is going to be the only one that's going to have three people. Okay? So now, I'm going to pass. I'm going to pass out the paper so you all get one. Don't touch them yet. You haven't got your dice yet. If you haven't gotten your dice yet, you're not touching the block yet. Okay. Until you get your dice, you can't touch the block. You got it? You can touch the block. If you can't decide, you row, row, tango. Start playing your game. It doesn't matter who goes first right now, okay? Doesn't matter who goes first. Just remember. Okay, so who's 8? So you got 3, right? So where's your block? But remember, you have to create your tower. Create your tower, don't forget. Yeah, for you it's 8 feet. For them it's only 8 feet. So you have a seat. Okay, so now it's Steve's turn. So you roll your dice. It's not cheating. He just rolled the dice. So she got 6. So what is Allison going to get now? Jacob, don't touch the block until it's your turn. Jacob, it's Allison's turn. Let her do it, okay? So remember, you're gonna go. Remember, at the end of each game, each partner is going to have 3 towers, okay? Alan, did you hear what I said? Alright? So when you have 3 towers, when you have gone 3 times, you're going to be able to connect them, and then you're going to be able to see if yours is taller or shorter, okay? So you have 2 right now. You need another one. Okay, so now you have more than you need. Combine your towers. Combine your towers. You're not rolling the die anymore. Combine your towers. Combine them. You're going to combine them. Combine your towers. Okay. Combine your towers. Okay, so that's your tower. And some of them might fall down, okay? It's okay if they fall down. Oh my gosh. How is it? Okay, so here. Bigger? Like what? So Alex says that he knows his is taller. Do you agree with him, Gabe? What do you say then? Okay, I bet. So you what would you say? Do it again. what we're going to do is we're going to put our linking cubes back in the bin that we got them from. And we're going to leave our dice on the table. Not leave them where they were at. Leave them where they were at. And then after you're